Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a content editor in KeywordCaddy.com. In this video we're going to see how to check for keywords, check word count, and see if the article is answering popular search questions that are asked in Google. So let's get going. So for this article I'm going to use fun things to do. We're going to be working on this article, by the way. Fun things to do in Ciudad Juárez, attractions and tours. And the main keyword is going to be things to do in Ciudad Juárez. So let's do that. Fun, like this. Okay. Fun things, let's capitalize, things to do in Ciudad Juárez. Attractions and tours. All right, the main keyword, things to do in Ciudad Juárez. Meta title, again, we can just copy this, right? Control copy. And I'm gonna make up the meta description. This article covers the best things to do in Ciudad Juárez, including attractions and tours. All right. So as this is an improvement on an existing article where we want to check for keywords, we're going to go to the article and grab the content. So we're going to copy all the way down. Okay. It might take some time depending on the length of the article, but it's easier than typing everything. So let's just scroll through everything. Okay, here it finishes over here. Let's go back up here. All right, control copy. Now, as blogs nowadays or websites usually have advertising or some other stuff, we're gonna clean up the writing, the text, just in case. So to do this, I just go to Notepad. I mean, any similar program will do. I just paste it. Make sure that there's no weird characters that show up, or see, like over here, there's all this. This is from the temperature widget. We don't really need this. Let's get rid of that. It's not important, but it does count in the word count section. All this is from the index, but we can leave it there. All right, so let's just grab everything from the very beginning. There we go, all the way down. And here's the article, control, copy. We go to KeywordCaddy, paste it, and here it is. So I've set as a word count 2,600. It shows 0. Of course, the word count is not 0. Sometimes it takes a little bit for the tool to count everything, but it'll show up. Let's hit save. And let's go to the manage keywords. So to ranking search engines, we want to make sure that we use a certain number of keywords, right? And specific keywords that we know have traffic. So we've done the research already. I went to key search, did the research for this main keyword, and I want to make sure I use all these supporting keywords. So control copy, go to manage keywords, add. There's 100, oh wait a minute, there's 26, and this plan, the premium plan, has a limit of 149. So I click save. And right off the bat, the tool is already telling me that out of the 26 keywords, only 6 have been used and 20 have not been used. The tool already also tells me where the keyword has been used, so I could scroll, and every time I see something in green, it means that there's a keyword there. And as you can see, well, this article is missing quite a few. So making sure that all these keywords are there will support the search engine optimization. So there's a little bit of work to do. Okay. And now imagine doing this with Excel sheets or doing it manually, having to go through the full article, looking for every single one of these keywords. That would actually take a lot of time. So KeywordCaddy is very time saving. And popular search questions, right? So if we go to Google and we type things to do in Ciudad Juárez, there it pops up. See, here are some typical search engine questions that we would want to make sure we answer because, as you know, Google likes articles to be thorough and provide as much information as possible. So let's just select a few. I'm just doing this randomly. Control copy. I go here, popular search questions. V, add, save, and it turns out that none of these questions have been answered in the article. So this is probably something that should be worked on as well. So what happens is as you type keywords or you type these questions and click save, these are marked as saved. The tool also checks on them every 30 seconds. But if you wanted to have more control of it, just click save. So for example, is it safe to visit Ciudad Juárez? Is it safe to visit Ciudad Juárez? All right, let's capitalize it. If I click save, the question is marked in green and it is also marked here, so which means it has been used. Now I have to provide an appropriate answer. And as you can see, the tool also allows for quite some text editing and formatting, so you might want to do that right off the bat. You can have H2 headings. I mean, pretty much everything, bold, italic, everything you need is here. So perhaps the best thing to do is to format it here and have everything ready for scanning. And as you keep on writing, every time you use one of these keywords and from the red box, it will end up in the green box. Let me give you an example. I'm going to type here, for example, the last one, U.S. Embassy in Ciudad Juárez. U.S. Embassy in Ciudad Juárez. I'm going to click save. All right, so it's been marked as used and it went from one box to the other. So as a wrap up, the article is 2030 words long. It should be around 2600 words long. This number, I pulled it from KeySearch, but there are many tools who will give you this number. Some of them are for free as well. And on average, usually what they do is grab the average word count of the first 10 results in Google for that keyword. So as I'm missing around, or as this article is missing 600 words, I could use that opportunity to answer all these questions and include these keywords, which could also be spotted around within the content itself. So once the article is finished, perhaps the best thing is to format it a little bit, right? Give it the H2 tags and whatnot. You click save. So this is saved in your account forever. You can work on it again in 1 week or 1 year, it doesn't matter. You can see what happens in search engines and see if there's more keywords that need to be used or whatnot. And so what you do is you grab the article, you just copy, and then you go to your WordPress editor and paste the article from here straight into the WordPress editor. And that's it, your article has been improved. I'm going to finish this video right here, and thanks.